Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and I share all things shopping, beauty, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes. I love makeup and all things beauty. I love to find a good bargain, and so those are some of the things I share. Today I'm sharing something new and something exciting to me, which is the Ice Cream Beauty Box. Yay! So, I saw someone open this box and it looked really fun. A lot of my subscription boxes come with like serums and creams and things like that. So this box is a little different. Sometimes they share something like that, but it's usually mostly all makeup. And they put at least one palette in the box. They usually let you pick your palette, so they have some choices or whatever. This box, I did subscribe, and I'm soon getting a box, and they have kind of like a glam bag also, so I'm going to share those in the future when I receive them. But this one was one I just picked up a past box and that I thought was fun, so that's what I'm going to share today. And open it up, and this is what you see. Yay! Okay, so they do have a card that tells what's in the box, and it's just a little bit kind of a cheap card, which I like because I'd rather them spend their money on what's in the box than this, but at least they tell you what you're getting. And so here we go. I'm gonna start with the first thing on top, and it's called Mediterranean Spring Travel Tea Palette. And this is by the Beauty Crop. Okay, and it looks like it's got, let's see here. That's what that looks like. Open it up here, and open up. There we go. This is really pretty. So I've got blushes and highlighters and some bronzers, a little bit of everything. It does look good. Kind of a spring, summer. It'll work. You can also use these as eyeshadows. So I really like that, and it's even cute packaging. So there's the first thing. The next thing I'm pulling out here, it says Mirabella Eye, and let me tell you, it's just an eye crayon by Mirabella Beauty. They call it the Champagne Eye Crayon. We're starting to see these a lot more in boxes. There's what the pen looks, or what it looks like. Here's the tip. Oh, it looks like it's coming out. Stick that back in there. So it is kind of a champagne-y, beigey color. I like these. I like to put them underneath my eyeshadow, and so I've been using more of these, and I'm glad that we're getting more of these in our boxes. These seem to be popular right now. So there's that. Okay, I have another palette in here, but I'm going to save that for later. And I'm going to get to the next thing, which is, see what I got here. It's called Melon Dollar Lips. This is also by the Beauty Crop, and it's a plumping gloss. A plumping gloss, and it's really cute. Look at that. It's packaging kind of like watermelon. It's in plastic wrap. I'm going to kind of keep it. I'm not going to open it up, but there's that. Another fun thing. And then I have 3. These are liquid eyeliners by Okalon Cosmetics. And they say the 3 of them is $33. They must be $11 a piece. And let's see what colors we got. Looks like we got a purple. This is different. I have yet not done a purple eyeshadow look. I just didn't think, but I think purple is coming around. So maybe I'll try that. But anyway, it's just a purple. Looks like a felt tip. There we go. Liner. We got a black one. And I'm not going to sample that one. It's just black. And then the third one I have is, I don't know what you would call this. Kind of a rosy color. So, and this kind of matches a lot of the makeups I currently use. Let's try it. Ooh, it's kind of, look at that, it's pretty. So, I don't know if you can really see it on screen, but it has kind of a little bit of a shimmer. It's kind of a brownish mauve color. So there's that. And then the last thing I'm going to open here, and it looks like it's going to need some scissors. This is our eyeshadow palette, and this is the Rococo palette by Glossy Beauty. So it's valued at $45. I'm thinking it's going to be like spring colors. The MB stands for Glossy Beauty. And let's get into it. If I can open it again. Wow. This is why I like to open my boxes before I come on screen, because sometimes they're just really hard to get open. Okay. Alright. Kind of a thick palette. Looks thick. Okay, finally got it. The Rococo. And let's open it up. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to try to cover that with this. Ooh, I like this. Variety of colors. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I got the eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. There we go. I got the face palette with the blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Love it. I got the 3 eyeliners. Purple, mauve, and black. So I got those. I got the watermelon lip plumper lip glaze. And was that it? Nope, that's not it. I got the eye pencil. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. If you count the eyeliners as 1, then that would be 5 items. So pretty good haul. I'm excited about this, just to try something new. And I kind of like makeup. It's fun getting a box with just makeup when you know you're going to get a palette and some other things. So we'll see as we go how we like this subscription. I'll put a link below if you want to go check out Ice Cream Beauty. And one more thing I wanted to share with, I share so many Temu hauls, and I've been buying their nails, and so the nails, but I haven't tried any yet. I wear my red aspen nails, which I really love. I think that they're the best glue-on nails you can get. They are a little pricey, but if if it avoids going to the salon, which I used to pay quite a bit for a manicure, the nails are cheap, but they last me a really long time. So I'm going to try these red aspen nails, see, and we're just going to see. I'm going to see how long I can wear them, how they compare to the ones that I know are really good. And I also, if you are interested in red aspen nails, I do have a link below for them, so you can go check them out too if you want. But these are the real cheap Temu nails. This one isn't quite my style. It's a little bit see-through. It's got like a white tip, and I don't know if you can see, it has a pink line through it and some hearts on a couple of them, my 2 middle fingers. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that too. I do have more Temu hauls coming up. I just got my ALLURE box for May. So I'm going to share that. And I don't know. I still have a couple of TJ Maxx hauls I want to share. So anyway, those are just a few of the things I like to share. I hope you enjoyed this today. Thank you for sticking with me, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe and support my channel. I'm just new here, and I'm doing something that I love and enjoy, and I would love to be friends, grow my audience. So thank you. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.